But today I'm just going to run through sort of a quick demo on the capabilities of the XS1. We've got the system here installed in a fairly typical sort of installation. We've got two MPPTs, two inverters connected to an array on the roof. We've got the grid feeding in, mimicking a genset. And we've got a nice battery bank of XS ions here as well, powering the whole system. So, and some nice loads as well, to make sure we can test it out thoroughly. So the XS ion is currently charging from PV, and we do not have any AC loads currently switched on. So what we're going to do here is pretend we've got some bad cloud cover and we've lost our PV. And we've decided to, turn the oven on and the aircon at the same time and really put things through their paces. So we'll fire up our heaters here, which are 2.4 kilowatts each. So that's sort of maxing out the two modules that are in there for surge, of course. And that will bring the battery voltage down. We've got it sort of right on the cusp of when the genset will kick on. So after a short period of time, we should see the XS1 engage the grid or the genset and start charging those batteries to make sure that our load keeps running. So as you can see, the XS1 intelligently manages the power flow through the system and makes sure that everything works as you expect it would. It's a truly integrated, modular, redundant power system, and gone are the days of those last-minute Christmas Eve phone calls and long drives to get someone's power back on. This is truly the future of off-grid, so contact supply partners to experience the future of standalone power.